Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gemini to CSV exports for 8949 preparation step by step clearly. To connect Gemini to CSV exports for 8949 preparation, begin by logging into your Gemini account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. Look for the option labeled Transaction History and click on it. Select the date range for which you want to export your transaction history. Make sure to capture all relevant trades that will be needed for the 8949 form. After selecting the date range, click on the Export button. Choose the CSV format for your export. Save the CSV file to a location on your computer that is easy to access. Open the CSV file using spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the exported data to ensure all transactions are included and accurate. You may need to rearrange or clean up the data to fit the format required for IRS 8949 submissions. Next, identify the necessary columns for the 8949, such as date acquired, date sold, proceeds, and cost or basis. Delete any unnecessary columns to streamline your spreadsheet. Once your data is formatted correctly, save the file again as a CSV. Open your tax preparation software or 8949 template. Import the CSV file into the tax preparation software. Follow any prompts to map your CSV data to the corresponding fields required for the 8949. Make sure to double-check for any discrepancies during the import process. Finally, review the populated 8949 form for accuracy before filing. You are now ready to finalize your 8949 preparation using the connected CSV exports from Gemini. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.